Official images of the Nike GT Cut 4 University Red have surfaced, offering a detailed look at Nike Basketball's newest performance silhouette. The colorway delivers a bold red finish across the lateral side and outsole, balanced by navy accents on the tongue and medial panels. Light gold speckling appears on the laces, paired with metallic gold lace tips that add contrast without distracting from the overall design. The color placement subtly nods to classic Team USA themes seen on past Nike basketball releases. Beyond aesthetics, the GT Cut line remains focused on speed, control, and responsiveness, making it a trusted option for quick guards and perimeter players. The GT Cut 4 continues that identity with modern tooling and a streamlined build designed for on-court performance. This University Red edition also carries lifestyle appeal, fitting easily alongside other patriotic-inspired basketball shoes. The Nike GT Cut 4 University Red is expected to release in spring 2026 through Nike.com and select basketball retailers, with availability anticipated soon.